What is up, everybody? Today we are gonna cook some carrot tahini soup. There are some really yummy ingredients and it smells so good. So we're gonna show you how to make it. Awesome. So just to give everyone a heads up, we are not gonna blend it because we don't want to scream over a blender. So basically what we're gonna do is show you what ingredients are in it, how to mix the ingredients, and then we do have a beautiful finished product for you guys as well. So to go, starting in, the main ingredient is carrots. So I know my mom told me eating carrots as a kid made my eyes great. I ate a lot of carrots, but what I didn't know is the darker the orange, the more beta carotene that is in it, which is good for your eyes. Then we also have some onions. You have a fun fact about onions? No?
I was going to say that also for the carrots, it provides 200% of your vitamin A daily. So if you're lacking in vitamin A, eat some more carrots.
Perfect. So we do have just a basic white onion. We have some cinnamon, which is good for anti-inflammatory, garlic, which is amazing. And then a star ingredient over here is tahini. So tahini is seeds that are basically crushed. What kind of seeds are they? The sesame seeds. Sorry, I was like, I had to think about which seed it was. Sesame seeds that are pretty much blended and crushed and then created into a puree, which you get almond milk and things like that. When you do crush seeds, they do go into a liquid. Excuse me. So first things first, you're going to chop up some of your carrots, chop up some of your onions, and then you are going to boil them on the stove top. After you boil and it gets to like a little bit of a softer, you're gonna drain the carrots, put them inside a blender, and then you're going to emulsify to make it into a soup. After that,
The onions, I would recommend dicing kind of smaller, but the carrots, if you're cutting them, cut them fairly small so that they cook evenly with the onions as well.
yeah, you don't want chunks of onion.
Big, huge chunks of carrots and then tiny onions. It won't cook the same speed.
Perfect. So then you're gonna take the tahini. So the tahini over here, we have about a half a cup. You're gonna make sure when you do buy tahini, there's always a thick layer of oil and then it's very clumped at the bottom. So you wanna give that a nice good stir, put that in there, mix it with some of the cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for the taste, not necessarily anything else when it comes to the color of the other ingredients. So if you like cinnamon, you add more. If you don't like cinnamon, add less. The garlic, you're going to do that the same way with taste. I do about a half a tablespoon because I do love garlic. Sprinkle some smoked paprika, and then our little famous ingredient that we always like to talk about, especially in our MetaVis Connection program, is turmeric, which gives a beautiful color and for this yellow into the carrot soup. Blend it up, serve it nice and warm, and then I always put a little bit of pistachio nuts on top. Okay, so all of the ingredients of the carrots and the onions have been boiling in our pot, so they're nice and soft. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add about 2 cups, depending upon how much carrots and onions you have in there. You're gonna do a half tablespoon of the smoked paprika, and then gonna drizzle a little bit of the cinnamon inside. And then Grace?
We're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric. So we're gonna put that in there. And then we have 2 garlic cloves here. These are minced, so they're already minced. So I will just.
You wanna take the pork out of the tahini?
Yeah. We will do that. It's all mixing together.
Yeah,
anyway,
I was like, they're all mixed together.
So we're gonna put the 2 garlic cloves already minced into the pot. And then finally we have 3 tablespoons of tahini sauce. So we're gonna pour that into our bowl. Gotta get every last drop.
That's the good stuff. That's what makes it nice and thick and creamy.
Perfect.
So then you're just gonna take the ingredients, kind of stir them in. You got that nice mixture going up, and then you are going to put in the blender. And like we said, we're not gonna blend it because we don't wanna hurt your ears here.
All right, so our soup is now completely done. It is ready to eat. We poured it in this bowl. We topped it with some pistachios. You can add a little bit of cinnamon on top or any of the additional spices if you want to garnish it with it. But it smells delicious and it's ready to eat and it is amazing. So I definitely recommend that you guys check it out.
But it's pretty simple, easy, great for you. It's great during the winter times. There's always chilies and tomato soup, so we wanted to give you something different with a little bit of special ingredients that are definitely going to help you with your weight loss and your health benefits.
And a fun fact about paprika, this is great for red cell production. So if you have wounds, if you have open wounds or you're not feeling well, this is great for red cell production and healing. So really powerful ingredient there.
Awesome. If you like more recipes like this, just give us a like, subscribe, and check out all of our other great recipes with Meredith and Spelt Training. Bye.